अ वेरी स्पेशल वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ़ यू। स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे इस यूट्यूब चैनल में। आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेल एंड योर स्टडी इज ऑल्सो गोइंग वेल। इन दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो आई शैल बी डिस्कसिंग अ एंटायर लिस्ट ऑफ गवर्नर्स ऑफ इंडियन स्टेट्स. This is one of the most crucial question which is frequently being asked in various competitive exams. Now let's discuss one by one. Who is the governor of Andhra Pradesh? Vishwa Bhushan Harishchandran is governor of Andhra Pradesh. Vishwa Bhushan Harishchandran is one of the oldest governors among the all governors. Now, second, Arunachal Pradesh. Who is the governor of Arunachal Pradesh? B.D. Misra is the governor of Arunachal Pradesh. This is him picture. You can see over the screen. Now, next, Assam. Who is the governor of Assam? Jagdish Mukhi is the governor of Assam. I'll again repeat. Jagdish Mukhi is the governor of Assam. Next, who is the governor of Bihar? Phagu Chauhan is the governor of Bihar. Phagu Chauhan is the governor of Bihar. Next, Chhattisgarh. Who is the governor of Chhattisgarh? Ansuya Uike is the governor of Chhattisgarh. Ansuya Uike is the governor of Chhattisgarh. Okay, now. Who is the governor of Goa? Satyapal Malik is the governor of Goa. I'll again repeat. Satyapal Malik is the governor of Goa. Now let's move to the next. Who is the governor of Gujarat? Acharya Devrat is the governor of Gujarat. I'll again repeat. Acharya Devrat is the governor of Gujarat. Haryana. Who is the governor of Haryana? Satyadev Narayan Arya is the governor of Haryana. Satyadev Narayan Arya is the governor of Haryana. Himachal Pradesh. Bandaru Dattatreya is the governor of Himachal Pradesh. Bandaru Dattatreya is the governor of Himachal Pradesh. Now, Jharkhand. Who is the governor of Jharkhand? Draupadi Murmu is the governor of Jharkhand. Draupadi Murmu is the governor of Jharkhand. Next, Karnataka. Who is the governor of Karnataka? Bajubhai Wala is the governor of Karnataka. Now, next, Kerala. Who is the governor of Kerala? Arif Muhammad Khan is the governor of Kerala. Arif Muhammad Khan is the governor of Kerala. Now, Madhya Pradesh. Who is the governor of Madhya Pradesh? Lalji Tandon is the governor of Madhya Pradesh. Now, Maharashtra. Who is the governor of Maharashtra? Bhagat Singh Kushiari is the governor of Maharashtra. I'll again repeat. Bhagat Singh Kushiari is the governor of Maharashtra. Now, who is the governor of Manipur? Najma Heptullah is the governor of Manipur. Najma Heptullah is the governor of Manipur. Meghalaya. Who is the governor of Meghalaya? Tathagata Roy is the governor of Meghalaya. Now, next, who is the governor of Mizoram? P.S. Sridharan Pillai is the governor of Mizoram. I'll again repeat, P.S. Sridharan Pillai is the governor of Mizoram. Now next, who is the governor of Nagaland? R. N. Ravi is the governor of Nagaland. R. N. Ravi is the governor of Nagaland. Odisha, who is the governor of Odisha? Ganeshi Lal is the governor of Odisha. Next, who is the governor of Punjab? B.P. Singh Badnore. B.P. Singh Badnore is the governor of Punjab. Rajasthan, who is the governor of Rajasthan? Kalraj Mishra. Kalraj Mishra is the governor of Rajasthan. Who is the governor of Sikkim? Ganga Prasad is the governor of Sikkim. Ganga Prasad is the Sikkim governor. Now, who is the governor of Tamil Nadu? Banwari Lal Purohit. Banwari Lal Purohit is the governor of Tamil Nadu. Next, Telangana. Who is the governor of Telangana? Tamil Sai Sundarajan. Tamil Sai Sundarajan is the governor of Telangana. This is one of the youngest governor amongst all the governors. I'll again repeat, this is one of the youngest amongst all the governors. Next, Tripura. Who is the governor of Tripura? Ramesh Bach is the governor of Tripura. Ramesh Bach is the governor of Tripura. Uttar Pradesh. Who is the governor of Uttar Pradesh? Anandiben Patel is the governor of Uttar Pradesh. She joined the office on 29th of July 2019. This is one of the earliest appointed governor by the President of India. I'll again repeat, Anandiben Patel is the governor of Uttar Pradesh. Now, Uttarakhand. Who is the governor of Uttarakhand? Baby Rani Maur is the governor of Uttarakhand. Baby Rani Maur is the governor of Uttarakhand. West Bengal, which is the last. Who is the governor of West Bengal? Jagdish Dhankar is the governor of West Bengal. He joined office on 30 July 2019. With this, we will end the session. I hope this session you have liked. 26